Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends, let me show you my toilet. You see this toilet? You see the ring all around the toilet bowl. Inside the ring, it's all dirty. You can see the brown stuff, and also where the water is. There is basically a circle or ellipse around the water. It's a stain, and this side also see there is a stain inside. It's visible, and this yellow stuff you can see it's all poo, which has been dried up, and let me close this and see this side also. You can see the poo, the yellow stuff. See the stain of the poo. You see this dirty thing. Now I'm going to show you how to clean it very quickly. Okay, how to clean it very quickly with this cleaner. See this cleaner here? It's called Lysol Power Cleansing Gel. Okay, and it says bowl plus brush disinfection. So basically, make sure you buy Lysol Power, which it says power. Sometimes it says Lysol Power Toilet Cleaner. This is Lysol Power Cleansing Gel. Eliminates toughest stains in seconds. It will eliminate all kinds of stains. Also, one time I put an auger in the toilet bowl and I inserted it into the hole, and when I took it out, it made a stain in the toilet bowl, 2 places, and it was hard to remove. I tried to remove it with Ajax, it won't come out, and it looked like poo. So some guest comes, they think that there is poo, but actually it was just a stain. So I was able to remove that stain with this one, Lysol Power Cleansing Gel. Okay. Some people also use something called Barkeeper's Friend. Barkeeper's Friend. Well, I couldn't find it in Walmart, but this one I found it, and it's very reasonable priced. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is to close the water. Okay. And after closing the water, I'm going to flush it. Okay. And then I'm going to take my and after that I'm going to take this gel, and I'm going to spread it all around. And I'm going to also spread a little bit here. Okay, and I'm also going to spread a little bit on this side where there is too much stain. Okay, and after this, I'm going to take this scrubber, see scrubber, and I'm going to go and clean this one. This one basically I'm going to spread the cleaner, and I'm going to basically I'm rubbing it so that the stain. I'm going to rub it, okay? Of course, one mistake I'm doing here is I didn't put on my gloves, because it's very important to put the gloves so that your hand is protected from germs. Okay, very important to put the gloves. Okay, and so I'm going to spread all the soap, and I'm going to let it sit for just 1 minute, not too long. Okay. Now while I'm here, I can also clean the bottom part. Okay, once I have cleaned it, I can just pull this aside, and now I'm going to take another cloth and wipe it. If you let it stay for a minute, it will be more effective, but it's very fast. You don't have to wait too long. I know in America we are all very busy, so we just take another cloth, and then we just then now I open the water. Okay, I open the water. Let the tank be full, and then I'm just wiping it. I'm just wiping it. And then I'm going to flush it. So now I'm going to flush it. See, earlier I used to use Ajax to clean my toilet bowl, but now I just use this cleaner with a sponge and a rag, and I don't even use that brush, because this one cleans so good. Okay, so it's all done. So now this is my toilet bowl. See, there is all the rings are gone. The rings near the water. See, around the water also the ring is gone. The ring inside is mostly clean. Of course, if I get one more application, it will be much cleaner. But it's quite good. It also brings the shine to it. Whereas Ajax is abrasive cleaner. Ajax is very good for pots and pans in the kitchen. But for this kind of thing, for tiles, ceramic tiles and porcelain tiles, the best thing is this thing that I show you, Lysol Power Cleaner. Okay? So I hope you like the video. Please give me thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.